Hello kids. Today we will learn about addition. Addition is the process of finding the total or sum by combining two or more numbers. Today we learn about how to combine two numbers. Examples of addition are 1 dog plus 1 dog equals 2 dogs. 1 rabbit plus 2 rabbits equals to 3 rabbits. Okay, let's resolve another example. 2 rabbits eating radish and having fun. Let's add 2 more rabbits. How many rabbits eating radish? 4. Let's resolve another question. 3 monkeys plus 2 monkeys equals to 5 monkeys. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.